Oh. His name is Bruce Lee.
It's Brucey.
Bruce Lee. Oh, look at that.
Oh, what you want to do? Where you gonna go, huh? You gonna go around the toilet?
Smelling dirty socks. Okay, I'm gonna put him back in the cage.
Okay. Let me get him. Mom.
No, behind the trash can. He's moving the trash can.
Touch him. Well, let me get him.
Wait, I'll give him to me after.
Oh, okay. There's a little prick that's gonna prick
I
you.
know. Hold him.
Come on, let's go.
Stop, Bruce Lee.
Brucey. He can't get his name right.
Okay, now we can't drop.
Yeah, if you drop him, he'd be super mad.
No, you're gonna drop. You're gonna drop.